children, welcome back to our online class. I hope that you all are safe at home. Yes, today we are going to learn Science 1. Do you know? Yes. So now we are learning the lesson temperature and heat, is it? In the last class we have completed few problems. Conversion formula. So two formulas we have learned, is it? Converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit and also Fahrenheit to Celsius, is it? So can you remember that formulas? So what's that two formula, ma? That is F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. That's the formula that is for Fahrenheit. Second one is C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 divided by 9. Is it? Yes. So for that, then the last class we have converted Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we have seen few problems and I have given one of the homework. Is it? Have you all completed? Did you get the answer? Yes. So shall we start the class? That is, today we are going to learn converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay. So example 1 we have completed already. Example 2 from the book we are going to complete now. Okay. Shall we start? Yes. See example 2. What's the question? The temperature during a hot day in Delhi was 45 degrees Celsius. Express this temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So what's the question? The temperature during a hot day in Delhi was 45 degrees Celsius. So what is the value given in this question, ma? 45 degree Celsius. Okay. And we want to convert this 45 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Is it? Fahrenheit. So shall we do? So solution. What's the first step we will write? That is given in the question. Is it? So what is given in the question? Say C is equal to 45 degree. That is given in the question. Is it? What they are asking to find F is equal to what? Is it? That they are asking to find. C is equal to 45 degree and F is equal to what? Is it? This is the thing we want to find. Okay. So what's the formula to find F here then? Can you say? F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. This is the formula which we learned in the last class. Here you want to apply. Okay. So, therefore, F is equal to, easy only. Instead of C, you want to use the given value. The other all things you want to write the same. Okay. So, what is C? 45 into 9 by 5. So, 9 by 5 bracket. Okay. Then plus 32. So, 32. That's it. Now, first you want to complete which is in the bracket, is it? So, here we can divide this both number. Here 5 in the denominator 5 is there. Here 45. Here it is into multiplication. So, we can cancel this 1. 5 is 5. Here 45. How much time? 9 5s are 45. That is equal to here 9 into 9 plus 32. Again inside the bracket which is there, first we can complete that. 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81 plus 32. What's the next step? Just we want to add this both number. So 81, 9 also I can do or if you don't know, you can write 10, get the answer. 1 plus 2, 3, 8 plus 3, 11. So what's the answer for F? 113 degree. So what's the answer? How will you write? So given value is 45 degrees Celsius, that is equal to, this is 113 degree Fahrenheit, is it? So we can write like this. So we have converted Celsius to Fahrenheit. Have you all understand? Yes. Next. So example problem we have complete. C value given 45 degree. F they are asking. So what's the F if you want to find? That's the formula. That is F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. So C into 9. Instead of C you want to substitute the value 45. So F is equal to 45 into 9 by 5 plus 32. Here we can cancel this. So 1 5 is 5. 9 5s are 45. So 9 into 9 plus 32. Okay. Then we can first inside the bracket we want to do, that's the rule. So that 9 into 9 81 plus 32. So if you add you will get to 113 degree. That's what 45 degrees Celsius is equal to 113 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So 113 is the answer. Understand? As like in the last class, we can do exercise problem. Okay. Exercise problem. Take page number 98, fifth Roman letter. Take page number 98, fifth Roman letter. Just you have to write which is given in the fifth Roman letter, first question. Fifth Roman letter, numerical based questions. Did you see? Yes. In that first question. Okay. Second part we have completed in the last class. Okay. First question, that is express the following temperatures in the Fahrenheit scale. Express the following temperatures in the Fahrenheit scale. So we want to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. That's the meaning. Okay. Celsius value in the question they will give. Okay. What is the question in A which is given in the book say? What is that? 110 degree Celsius. 110 degree Celsius. Is it? So can you do? Yes, we can try. Okay. So 110 degree is the question. So first we can find the solution. For that, first we will write given, which is given in the question. Is it? Which is given in the question. So what is given? C is equal to 110 degree. This is given. Okay. What they have asked? F is equal to what? F you want to find. Is it? So what's the formula? F you want to find. That's what you have to start. F is equal to. Okay. What's the formula? F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. This is the formula. Okay. Only here we want to substitute the value of C. Remaining all the same want to write. Okay. In the next step. So F is equal to, what's the value of C here? 110. Okay. Into the same 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay. See here 5 is here. Here 110 0. Last number ones place 0 is there. So it will be divided by 5. So we can cancel 1 5 is 5. Here 2 5s are 10. 1 balance. So again 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 22 into 9 by 1. 9 by 1 means 9 only. Okay. So 22 into 9 plus 32. Again in the bracket which is given, first we want to complete, isn't it? 22 into 9. 2 9s are 18. Is it? Then Again 1 balance, 2 9s are 18, 19. Yes or no? Yes. So what's the answer? 198. So here 198 plus 32. Now with this we have to add, is it? 198 plus 32. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 balance. 9 plus 1, 10. 13. Is it? 3. 1 balance, 2. So what's the answer? 230 degree. For what? Fahrenheit. Now for Fahrenheit we got this answer. So question given in Celsius, is it? 110 degree Celsius is equal to 230 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer. Okay, so what's the answer? 230 degree Fahrenheit we have completed. Okay, so formula you should know. Understand? Shall we do the next problem? B. 85 degree Celsius. 85 degree Celsius. So, solution. First you want to write given. What is given? C is equal to 85. Yes, they are asking. Commonly they have given. You want to convert that into Fahrenheit. That's what. From that we have written F is equal to, want to find. Is it? So what's the formula? If you want to find, F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. This is the formula. Formula, put it in the box. In this formula, instead of C, you will substitute 85 degree. Okay. So that is equal to, instead of C, you want to write 85 into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay. So 85 into 9 by 5 plus 32. Again this 5 and 85 we can cancel, is it? 1 5 is 5 here. Again 1 5 is 5. 5 after 8 is there, is it? So 3 remaining. 3 and 5 become 35. 35 means 7 5s are 35. Is it? So 17 into 9 by 1. So we can leave that 1 because 9 only value. So 17 into 9 plus 32. 17 into 9 plus 32. Okay. Now we should multiply this value. Okay. 17 into 9. 17 into 9. What's the answer? 7 9s are 63. So 3, 6. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Is it? So 153 is the answer. So that is equal to 153 plus 32. Bracket we have completed, is it? 17 into 9, 153, then plus 32. Now you want to add that both number, 153 plus 32. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 1. So what is the answer? 185 degree for F. Is it? 185 degree. Understand all of you? So we can write the answer as 85 degrees Celsius is equal to 185 degree Fahrenheit. Understand? Okay. Next, C. 200 and, from the book you have to write the question, 225 degree Celsius. This is the question given. So solution. First we will write given. What is given in the question? C is equal to 225 degree. This is given. But we want to find the value of F. So what is the formula to find F? F is equal to C into, say all of you, 9 by 5 plus 32. This is the formula. Okay. That is equal to, here only instead of C we want to substitute this 225. So write 225 into 9 by 5 then plus 32. Again 5, here 225 we can cancel. 1 5 is 5. Here 4 5s are 20, 2 balance. Then 2 and 5 becomes 25. 25, how much time? 5 5s are 25. Okay, so what's the answer? 45 into 9 by 1. Here 9 by 1 means 9 only. So 45 into 9. 45 into 9 plus 32. 45 into 9, if you don't know, you can write in the side as rough work and you can do. 5 nines are 45, is it? So 5, 4 balance. Okay, 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 4, 40. So 40. What's the answer? So 405. Then for this only we have get the answer 405. Remaining plus 32. Then again you want to add 405 plus 32. 5 plus 2 7. 3. 0 plus 3 3. Then here 4. So what's the answer? 437 degree. This is for F value. Is it? F. F is equal to 437 degree. So how we can write the answer? Therefore 225 degrees Celsius is equal to 437 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer. Have you all understand? So only you want to know the formula F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. Instead of the C, you want to write the answer from the value from the question. So 225. Then you have to complete the bracket portion so that you can divide this 5 and 225. So you got the answer 45. 45 into 9 plus 32. Then multiply this 45 into 9. We got 405 plus 32. Then if you add, you will get 437. So what's the meaning? 225 degrees Celsius is equal to 437 degree Fahrenheit. Understand? So C part over. So A, B, C we have completed. Next D part and E part you have to do as homework. Okay. What's the D part question? D part question. D is 30 degree Celsius. 30 degree Celsius. What's the E part question? 0 degree Celsius. These two you want to do as homework in the homework booklet. Okay. So till C part, this we want to write in the Science on Classwork booklet, and this too you want to do in the homework booklet and submit for correction. Okay. Yes. So don't forget formula F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay. So both the conversions we have completed by this class. So don't forget there C if you want to find Celsius value. If you find C is equal to, what's the formula? Say the formula. Just to remember, what's the formula? C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 divided by 9. Don't forget 5 into f minus 32 divided by 9. If you want to find the value of f, what's the formula? F is equal to c into 9 by 5 plus 32. C into 9 by 5 plus 32. By that we have to simplify the remaining things and we have to convert the values. Okay children? Okay students? Okay. So I hope that you have understand everything. Okay? Yes. So write all those things and write and see in the rough notes and get the answer. Okay? Learn this very important portion. Okay? Okay. Thank you children. Thank you children.